Google has officially started rolling out one of the biggest updated smart home ecosystem in years. And if you're feeling lost, you're not alone. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. The main star of the show is Gemini for Home, the new AI-powered voice assistant on smart home devices, both new and old. The good news? Basic features like checking device status or turning off lights are free, but for advanced functionality, you'll need a subscription. Google's putting Nest Aware on the side and introducing two new paid tiers, Google Home Premium, Standard, and Advanced. These bring extras like Gemini Live, which is a more natural, chatty AI, AI-generated home briefs, smarter motion detection summaries, AI search through your camera footage, and up to 60 days of video history. The subscription pricing starts at $10 per month for Standard and $20 for Advanced, in line with Nest Aware. If you're already a subscriber, you'll be transitioned automatically. These plans also come bundled with Google's broader AI Pro and AI Ultra subscriptions. Right now, Gemini for Home is only available through an early access program in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland, and only for cameras and doorbells. Voice assistant support on speakers arrives later in October in US only. For now, with more countries to follow. Most Google-made smart devices from 2015 onward will get the update, but third-party support is currently limited. With all this, Google promises a faster, more stable Google Home app. And yes, it's actually improving even when it may be messy and mildly overwhelming. Are you ready to enter your smart home? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.